Kia just solved every three-row SUV owner complaint with the 2026 Sorento, delivering premium cabin quality, advanced technology, and multiple hybrid powertrains at a price that undercuts the competition by thousands. If you've been frustrated by cheap interiors, limited features, poor fuel economy, and sky-high prices in this segment, this Korean SUV addresses every single one of those problems. While most automakers keep pushing three-row SUV prices higher and higher, Kia went the opposite direction and created something that delivers luxury experiences without the luxury price tag. Interior that belongs to an upper class. Picture this, you're picking up your in-laws from the airport, and instead of making excuses for your vehicle's interior, you're actually proud to show it off. That's the confidence the 2026 Sorento gives you. Gone are the days when Kia interiors looked like they belonged in a budget motel. Soft touch materials cover every surface your hands naturally reach, while genuine leather wrapping feels substantial under your grip. The stitching details catch your eye immediately because they look handcrafted rather than machine-stamped. But this attention to detail goes beyond appearances. When you're spending 2 hours in traffic, these thoughtfully designed front seats keep your back comfortable instead of leaving you searching for a chiropractor. The captain's chairs in the second row recline and adjust just like first-class airline seats, therefore turning family road trips from endurance tests into relaxing journeys. Here's where the Sorento truly surprises, though. Most SUVs of this size treat the back seats like an afterthought, cramming passengers into spaces barely fit for luggage. But the Sorento's third row actually accommodates real people without torture. Your teenagers won't complain about riding back there, and even smaller adults can manage longer trips comfortably. The large windows and available panoramic sunroof flood the cabin with natural light, therefore making even fully loaded 7-passenger trips feel spacious rather than claustrophobic. But luxurious seating means nothing if there's an obvious lack of standard equipment, let alone technology that frustrates you every single day, which brings us to where the Sorento really shines. Fully loaded. Ever notice how car commercials show all these amazing tech features, but then you discover they cost thousands extra? The Sorento takes a different approach that respects your wallet. Even the base model includes that massive 12.3-inch touchscreen that responds to your touch instantly without the frustrating lag that makes you want to throw your phone at the dashboard. Your smartphone connects wirelessly the moment you start the engine, therefore eliminating those tangled charging cables that turn your center console into a snake pit. But Kia went deeper than just pretty screens. Multiple USB ports throughout all 3 rows mean no more family arguments over who gets to charge their device first. The safety technology works like having a co-pilot who never gets tired. Blind spot monitoring catches vehicles your mirrors miss, while lane keep assist gently guides you back when you drift during those late-night drives home from grandma's house. The adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go capability handles traffic jams for you, therefore turning rush hour stress into relaxation time. Higher trims add surround view cameras that show you exactly what's around your vehicle, making tight parking spots feel manageable instead of terrifying. All this technology is impressive, but it's worthless if the engine can't deliver when you need it most, and that's exactly where Kia made their biggest improvements. Powertrain options. Nothing ruins a family road trip faster than a gutless engine that struggles up mountain passes while everyone else zooms by. The Sorento solves this embarrassment with multiple powertrain choices that match your driving needs. The base 2.5-liter engine delivers 191 horsepower that handles daily commuting and weekend errands without strain. But when you need more confidence for highway merging or trailer towing, the turbocharged 2.5-liter steps up with 281 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. But here's where things get really interesting. The Sorento Hybrid combines a 1.6-liter turbo engine with electric motors for 227 horsepower total, therefore giving you quicker acceleration than the base engine while providing superior fuel economy. The plug-in hybrid version pushes the envelope even further. With 261 horsepower on tap and 30 miles of electric-only range, your daily commute to work could happen on pure electricity. Therefore, you're essentially driving for free during the week while still having full SUV capability for weekend adventures. All powertrain options offer available all-wheel drive that automatically adjusts traction when weather conditions turn nasty. But here's where the Sorento's efficiency really shines in your monthly budget. The standard gas engine achieves 23 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway, which is respectable for a 3-row SUV, but nothing special. The hybrid setup changes everything though, delivering 36 miles per gallon combined with over 600 miles of total range on a single tank. Therefore, you're stopping for gas half as often as competitors while enjoying quicker acceleration thanks to the electric motor's instant consistent torque. The plug-in hybrid takes efficiency to another level entirely, achieving 76 miles per gallon equivalent when you factor in electric-only driving. For families with short commutes, this means your fuel costs could drop to almost nothing during regular use, while still maintaining full road trip capability when needed. So you've got the power and efficiency covered, but none of that matters if the Sorento rides like a lumber wagon, which is why the chassis engineering will surprise you. Ride quality. Remember the last time you drove a 3-row SUV that felt like a city bus? Every bump transmitted straight through the seats, road noise drowning out conversations, and handling so sloppy you felt seasick on winding roads. The Sorento engineers clearly experienced this torture too, because they designed a suspension system that actually works like it should. Road imperfections get absorbed by the suspension instead of punishing your spine, therefore keeping passengers comfortable during those inevitable construction zone marathons. But the chassis doesn't turn to jelly when you need to change lanes quickly or navigate a curvy mountain road. The body stays controlled and composed with steering that responds precisely to your inputs rather than wandering around like a shopping cart with a broken wheel. Highway cruising happens in near silence thanks to extensive sound deadening that blocks wind and tire noise. Therefore, you can actually have conversations with passengers in the back seat without shouting. The X Pro trim takes things further with all-terrain tires and increased ground clearance for families who venture beyond paved roads. While it won't crawl over boulders like a Jeep, this setup confidently handles camping trips, beach access roads, and those sketchy dirt roads to the best fishing spots. All these improvements sound expensive, and with most automakers they would be, but Kia's pricing strategy might shock you more than anything else. Release date and price. The 2026 Sorento arrives at dealerships within the next few months, but the pricing strategy might be the biggest surprise of all. While other automakers keep pushing prices higher, Kia went the opposite direction. Base models start around $34,000, making this one of the most affordable 3-row SUVs you can buy. But that low price doesn't mean stripped-down equipment like you'd normally expect. Even entry-level trims include features that competitors charge thousands extra for. Therefore, you're getting more capability and luxury for significantly less money than comparable Honda Pilots or Toyota Highlanders. The mid-level EX with the turbocharged engine starts near $40,000, still thousands less than rivals while offering superior interior quality and more standard equipment. The top SX Prestige trim reaches around $49,000 fully loaded, but includes equipment levels that match vehicles costing $60,000 or more from premium brands. But here's the real kicker: Kia backs everything with their industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Therefore, you get luxury experiences without luxury worries or luxury repair bills that can bankrupt your family budget. Altogether, the Sorento dominantly keeps its position of the best value in the segment. The 2026 Kia Sorento proves you don't have to choose between luxury and affordability anymore. With premium interior materials that rival vehicles costing $20,000 more, comprehensive technology packages that come standard instead of optional, multiple efficient powertrain choices including hybrid and plug-in options, refined ride quality that balances comfort with control, and pricing that starts around $34,000 while competitors push past $45,000, the Sorento delivers everything 3-row SUV buyers actually want without the premium penalties they've learned to expect. Therefore, if you're tired of making compromises or stretching your budget for basic family transportation, the Sorento finally offers a solution that checks every box without breaking the bank. And the most interesting thing about this excellent SUV is that the biggest competitor is actually an in-house rival, which is why you must check out our review of the 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe. If you're tired of bland crossover designs and want something different, then this bold SUV is just perfect for you. But it doesn't just look unlike anything else in the segment. It also features a well-designed cabin, offers plenty of practicality, and comes loaded with standard equipment, which is why we said it was Sorento's key rival in the first place.